Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Exposure. Today I am going to explore the knowledge of one of the important appliances in our home, and that has the huge demand in summertime, and that is called the air conditioner. Whoa, but wait a minute. Do you know the knowledge which one you have to buy from market, which air conditioner is good for you, which air conditioner is suitable for you? There are so many things you should to know before selecting or choosing any air conditioner for your home or offices. So do not go away and stick with me and watch the video till the end. Do not skip anywhere to get the knowledge of air conditioner. So let's start the show with your host, guest and reviewer Para. Yeah. Before that, do not forget to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification of my all videos. The first point you have to note down is type of AC. There are two types of ACs. One is window AC and one is split AC. So according to your needs, you have to choose the AC. If you want to install in the window, then you have to choose the window AC. If you don't have space in window, then you can go for the split AC. The split AC you can mount on wall anywhere of the room. And the second point is the AC technology. We will get the two type of technology in AC. One is inverter and another one is non-inverter. The advantages of non-inverter AC is very higher than the normal AC, because you will get so many benefits in inverter AC compared to the non-inverter AC. Like it has a high performance, high efficiency, and you will get a low consumption bill. Then the next point is AC capacity. You can measure the AC capacity according to size of your room. If your size of your room is bigger, then you have to choose the higher capacity of AC. If your size is smaller or medium size, then you have to choose the capacity of AC in smaller range or in medium range. In market, you will get so many range of capacities starting from 0.8 ton to 2 or higher ton. There are other things that is dependable on the choosing the capacity of the air conditioner, because some areas in your city or in your village having the higher temperature compared to other cities or other countries. So if your room facing the direct sunlight, or if your room is in the roof in the top of the building, then you have to choose the higher capacity compared to the normal condition. So I am sharing the every details in written on your screen. You can check it over there. Then comes the point, the rating of the air conditioner. I think all of you know the star rating of the appliance. All the appliances have a sticker, and you will get to see the star rating on that sticker. So if you want to save the more energy, or if you save your money from your pocket, and if you want to go for a long time of that AC, or if you're running the AC for long duration, then go for the higher star rating. If your AC running for the less time, then my recommendation is go for the less rating star rating. So these 4 points are the vital point before you choose any air conditioner. The one is type of AC, the second one is select the technology, is it non-inverter or inverter, then third point is the capacity of air conditioner according to your room size, and the fourth point is the star rating. There is another factor you may consider when you are going for the air conditioner, and that is the feature of the air conditioner. You'll get so many features in air conditioner nowadays. Every company is developing their technology in every year to compete with each other. Those features are like this: active humidifier. It senses the room humidity and it controls the moisture in your room. Then instant cooling. Nowadays most of the ACs having the instant cooling option. By choosing this, you can instantly cool the room. Intelligent cooling. Keep your room warm and comfortable during winter. Airflow. Some AC companies are following 3D, 4D or Canada airflow technologies. With this, the airflow distributed in all directions in 360 degrees. Dual display. Some ACs having the dual display features that let you view the set temperature as well the room temperature simultaneously. Eco mode. By choosing this option, you can minimize your electricity bill of your home. Sleep mode. By using these features, you can sleep quietly without any disturbance. Low gas detection. Some companies having these technologies so that you can easily get to know that you need to refill the gases of the AC. Smart diagnosis system. By help of these features, you will get to know the all error and even that you can diagnose with the help of this error by yourself. Stabilizer free. Prevent voltage fluctuation without compromising on safety, savings and comfort. Timer function. No more wake up in the middle of the night to switch off the AC. Now set your AC to turn on off automatically at the desired time at the touch of your button. Anti-corrosion. Designed to prevent rust, corrosion, bluefin copper evaporator along with the golden fin anti-corrosion condenser ensure durability and heavy duty performance for uninterrupted powerful cooling. Air purification. In this purification process, so many branding having the different technologies. Some companies using triple filter like a antibacterial filter, active carbon filter and anti-dust filter in this triple filter technologies. Some companies like a Whirlpool and Carrier AC brand using 2.5 micron molecule filter, PM 2.5 filter. And further one step, LG brand is using PM1 filter which can filter the PM1 micro molecules. Some companies like a Media brand uses anti-walk filters that can filter the gases which come out from burning of fuels like gasoline, wood, coal, natural gases. And Bluestar company using the cold plasma technology that helps to remove the bacteria from your room. The next feature is apps control of AC using smartphone. Nowadays most of company is developing their technology towards controlling from the smartphone because now people are habitual of using smartphone and they are controlling their appliances from smartphone without staying in home. They can control it from anywhere. Auto clean option because air conditioner having the air purifier filter and those who are running the air conditioner for most time and for a long time, they need to clean the filter very frequently. To come out from this problem, AC brands are using auto clean features. By using this auto clean features, air conditioner itself is able to clean the air filter. So these are the important features you need to know before buy any air conditioner. So in last, I am going to tell you my recommendation. If you like my recommendation, you can go for that. If you have the high budget and you want to save the environment and even if you want to save your money, then go for Inverter 5-star rating split air conditioner. I have mentioned 5 top Inverter 5-star rating split air conditioner in my description. So go through it and have a purchase from there. So before signing off, again do not forget to click on subscribe button, write the comments. If you have any doubts, I'll try to clear it, and press the like button and press the notification button. Thank you all of you.